Hey, what's up, everybody? Andre Reese.biz. All right, guys, just checking with you guys here. Not only do I do taxes, I do a whole bunch of other stuff. But today, let's talk about taxes. Right now, the tax season for 2020 is over. Most of you guys have already filed your tax returns, etc. But, right now for the tax season 2021, we've got about 3 more weeks left in this particular year to make any changes and having discussions that might be required to kind of get a better idea of where we might land for next year. And there's still time to definitely, make a few changes or to make some adjustments that might have, a positive impact on your amount of refund you may get back next year, and of course, lower your tax burden. So this is, like I said, this is our last chance right now. And so some of the things you should probably be concerned about and consider booking a consult. If you guys are concerned because you've been thinking about starting a business, or you just started a business this year, you're unsure of what things may be deductible, what kind of things I may need to be able to prepare your taxes, how to gather information, what deductions you may consider, writing off home office, cell phone, parts and pieces, cost of goods, all that type of stuff. It's definitely worth booking a consult. That way you can take advantage of the tax code and maximize things in the next 3 weeks for sure. If you've also had a significant change in your income, whether that's W-2 status or you have a business that you've been running, your income increased, there may be additional issues we may run into regarding not having enough taxes withheld. We don't want to have any surprises. So you definitely want to talk to me about that. If you have any assets that you guys have sold this year, homes, businesses, if you sold your stocks, whatever it might be, those kind of things will definitely have an impact on your tax return. We want to definitely go into next year, it's filing season, having a general understanding of how those things might impact us. Also, too, if you guys have had changes to your family, you've gotten married or you're about to get married before the end of the year. I know it's tough now with the COVID and what's going on. And also, if you've maybe have additional family members, those things are all going to have an impact on your tax return. We've got to talk about how the combination of 2 households and having additional children may affect you. And then also, most importantly, let's talk about deductions. There's still things that you can do as a business owner or as a Schedule A filer, that may allow you to take advantage of the tax code for what it is right now, and minimize the amount of tax you may pay, and that doing so is all done by deductions. So if you guys are not aware of it, but if you guys are a current client of mine, you guys can always call me, and many of you guys do. You can call me, you can text me, you can email me. Text is always the best option to get a hold of me the quickest. You can give me a call. We can always discuss anything that changes in your situation, and that's a value-added situation. That's actually a value-added proposition that I provide to all my existing clients. So if I've done your taxes before in the past, you guys have questions about the current tax year, you guys can always call and ask me questions. Like I said, that's a value-added benefit that I provide all my current clients. If you guys are a brand new client, we've never done business before, as far as tax filing is concerned, if you want to book a consult, you feel free to do so. You can reach out to me directly or go to my website to get more information. But generally, a consultation runs about an hour, and it's $195. And in that hour, we can answer pretty much most questions and get things squared away. And then most importantly, during that time, we can talk about things that may affect your tax return. I can talk to you about my process. That way we're ready to go next year when it comes time to engage. When the IRS portal opens up, we can get your tax return filed as soon as possible. So let me just wrap things up here. Remember, I don't do a lot of these videos during the year. I do a lot of other type of advertisement, but at this point right now, it's kind of important. We're down to like the last 3 weeks of the tax season. So make sure you guys reach out to me if you've had any significant changes to your tax burden or tax situation over the prior year. And if you guys are thinking about potentially looking for a new tax person, I'm always accepting new clients. I have policies and procedures in place that allow us to meet and deal with each other effectively. Majority of my practice that I have is the returns, and everything I do with my clients is all done electronically. So there's not really any reason for us to meet. If we do need to meet, I do have provisions in place as well to kind of keep us all safe. So let me go ahead and wrap everything up. Reach out to me as soon as you can. Let's get let's talk about 2020 before it ends. And if you guys have any questions, like I said, feel free to reach out to me by email or by text, or go to my website. You can also see all the information about my business and what I provide there. Take care, guys. And if we don't talk anymore this season, holiday season, you guys be safe and take care. Peace. Hey guys, thanks for sticking with me all the way to the end of this video. Visit me directly at andrereese.biz. 4 things to do: like, follow, subscribe, hit that bell. Stay safe, guys. Lift the glass to freedom. Stay woke and don't get TikTok. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video.